Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to a wonderful day and a wonderful video from Fansells. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy it and I hope you find some other things on my channel that you like and you stick around, hit that subscribe button. Everybody who's returning, thank you for returning, and let's see what we have to show you today. I'm going to take out the painting first. I'm going to save all this fun stuff here till the end. Yeah, let's do that. I need the drills though. Okay, so I found this at Fansells. They had several of them, like these books that just have flowers exploding out of them. There were several varieties, and this is the one I chose. I thought it was really kind of cute, very different, very unique. Now, this one came very interesting. It came with this little strip of paper here, because as you'll see, it lists 9 different drills on this, but there are actually 14. So this legend was incorrect. There are actually 14 drills on here, and you can see that we have A, C, E, the special drills here, and I think all of those got left off is what happened. So they had to, add to it. Do I see all of those? T, G, yeah, they're all numbers, so they're on there. Anyhow, I never had that happen before, but I appreciate the fact that they did that and they realized there was an issue and they sent along a corrected legend. So I've just taped it on there so I won't lose it. All right, let's see what the drills are. And let's see, that means there's 14, right? Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yep, all right, there's 14 here. Let's look at them. Green, light yellow, a light purple, orange, pink, a darker yellow, brownish orange, a light pink, just some white. And then we have slivers, little green slivers. Oh, where did those go? I didn't see those. Oh, and pink slivers. Okay. And we have pink teardrops, pink marquise, and white pearls. So let's look at that again. Let's see. Since the legend was wrong, yeah, okay. Little slivers here. All right, that makes sense. I think everything's correct on here. I mean, you'd have to actually complete it to know for sure, but I think it's all correct. All right, so what do you think? I liked it. I thought it was cute. All right, this is the toolkit. They all come with one of those. What else do we have? Let's open up this package, this fun package here. Let's see what we have. I try to find things that are different, unique, all of that. You can tell what this is, right? Yep, we've got keychains. We've got keychains. So here are our keychains. Let's get them out. Show them to you. I've gotten a lot of things done for Smashing the Specials. You'll see this after Smashing the Specials, but I did some keychains. I did a lot of fun things. These are perfect for Smashing the Specials. These are double-sided, little snowmen, different varieties of snowmen. It's got a blue scarf. Let's see, they're stuck together. He's got a brown scarf. There's a couple more, trying to not glare it. And then we got a couple more here. So we got 6 little snowmen, or snow girls. She's a snow girl, I bet. Cute, right? So there they are. And let's look at our drills for those. See what we have. Some of the other things I have here are unique. I like. Yeah. Fansells has a nice assortment of things. I always find good stuff at Fansells. All right. Here's what we have. Brown. We have all those twigs for arms. Pink. Orange. A very icy blue. Kind of a gray color. Orange. Light green. Another brown. And clear. All right. Then we have some special ones. We have these little faceted amber, some pink marquise, and my favorite little snowflakey. Love those. Iridescent. Love them. So nice set of keychains. Something to whip up for, wintertime. Yeah, wintertime. They make great decorations. They make great ornaments. If you wanted to turn these into ornaments, put them on your tree or hang them around your house. They make great ornaments. Multi-purpose. That's what they are. All right, next. I still got toolkits. Toolkits everywhere. This package is heavy. And I know why it's heavy. And you'll know why it's heavy here in a second. Because these are magnets. I love these. They're magnetic. So these you can stick on whatever you would like. Put them on your refrigerator, filing cabinets, you know, carts. Fun. Look at them. Aren't they cute? These little owls. Love them. So there's one. Look at this guy. He's got a heart. He's super cute. There's two. This one's in a truck. Love an owl in a truck, right? Three. One in a teacup. Another one in a cup. And then two lovebird owls. So there are 6 of them. I love those. And I love that they're magnets. They're not keychains. These are something you could just, I mean, I could stick it. Oh, I can't stick it on here. That's not magnetic. No, never mind. But I mean, look at the uses that you could use those for. Kids could take them, put them in their lockers, you know, all that fun stuff. All right, here's our drills. There's a bunch of them. All right, so let's just roll with them. 17 is the only special drill, I believe, and it's those crystal on the bottom, gold on the top. We have an orange. We have a green, a pink, another really light pink, a purple, kind of like a gray, greenish gray, amber color, darker brown, light green, more pink, lots of pinks because, I mean, look at them. They're pink owls, right? Pink, 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 and red. Love them. I love those. All right, those go in here. Let's put those back in here so I don't get them all messed up. Just put them in there. I mean, isn't that fun? I did some magnets a long time ago. I think they were diamond dot magnets. I still have one on my refrigerator. And I love that. So fun. All right, I got one more item to show you. One more thing. All right, let's get to it. It's in a bag. In a bag. It's the one I opened to see who this order was from. I opened this. All right, toolkit. Here's our chain. So it hangs. It's kind of all tangled up here, but there's our hanging chain. Attaches to the top, and it's one-sided. So it's plexiglass. This has a film on it. It's white. That will come off. There's a film on the back. It will peel right off. I just cut my nails, so I'm going to struggle with it, but it will come off. Look at it. It's bluebirds. Bluebirds. 2 bluebirds in a tree. Looks like some apple blossoms or something. You know what's really weird? The last couple of days, we've had bluebirds in our yard. We don't have bluebirds very often. And I've learned that they're here at migratory times. So like in the spring, they'll be flitting all over the place. And now it's kind of fall, getting closer to fall, and they're here flitting all over the place again. I love bluebirds. They're so pretty. So pretty. They're gorgeous. So this is almost full coverage if you looked up close. I mean, look at all of this background gets drills. This would be what I would call like a full coverage special drill. I love it. Super pretty. And these are so shiny when you get all the drills on them. They just sparkle. And I've done a few for Smashing the Specials. I've done a couple different ones. I like all of them. I think I've done 3. All right, so let's start with some clear rhinestones. What else do we have? Gold, very bright. Those are very shiny. Sometimes the rhinestones are super shiny, and other times they're just kind of a little duller, like dusty, but these are really pretty, super pretty. So we have a smoky color, and a brown, a pink, and a blue, and a lime green, and an aqua, another icy blue, orange, green. All right, here we go. We have a beautiful, clear, smooth blue marquee. Love that. Next to a green, faceted, iridescent with all the colors. And then some little blue ones. Pretty, cobalt blue. Love it. This is the kind of stuff I like to get when I go to the, all the budget-friendly sites. I like to get all the special drill things, the special projects, the keychains, the stickers. All that stuff is what I really, really look for and the kind of stuff I really like. So there you have it. Love this one. Love it, love it, love it. What do you think? What do you like? Tell me what you like. Okay. I know that we had great participation for Smashing the Specials, and people find all kinds of things. And I mean, I'm in the shops hunting around a lot, and you guys find things that I've never seen before. So anyhow, those are the fun little projects that I love to do so much. And of course, I love to throw in a canvas every now and then as well. But there it is. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like what you see. I will link these all below so that if you're interested in something specific, like magnets, there's not a lot of magnets out there. Magnets are a little harder to find, but you can find them. So if you like those or the hanging, this one seemed to be fairly new. I always look for new stuff first. You can always go in and filter out on the websites new, and you'll see all the most recent things. And that's where I find all the cool stuff. That's fun. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great day. And I will talk with you all really soon. Bye, everybody.